I think the greatest risk, if you like, to data and analytics is homogeneity, and because it straight away filters out that which might be uncomfortable, but that which might be valuable.
So you want to make sure that you have people on your team that think differently and have different perspectives to the problem, because that's where you come up with the most interesting solution and how you mitigate bias.
We need to be more inclusive, we need to have more voices, and we need to be more representative. And that's something we all need to work at, and we need to be providing more opportunities.
When we start to have diverse teams, you start to draw insights from the data based upon their experiences. If you're looking at something, if you're looking at data that's drawn from a particular area and you bring somebody in, say you're looking at how do you identify high-risk students in urban areas so that you can develop intervention plans for them. If you don't have individuals in the room that have actually worked in schools in urban areas or participated in schools in urban areas, then you're going to miss something in the data that seems off.
And when I think about team construction, that's when it's critical. And that's why I'm constantly saying we need more diversity in the sector so that we do a couple things. One, create those teams who can produce really, really smart ideas and systems. But two, the output. We need to make sure that as we produce algorithms and models and systems, that our biases are not put forward, that we have wide representation and we're able to test it to make sure it's valid.
Standing in the shoes of the customer, and not for a day, is absolutely important for the manager to bring about a culture which is just absolutely focused on the customer experience, regardless of where they are in the organisation.
So the first step as a leader is to not only speak it, but put a strategy and a plan in place and hire somebody to do it. That's what you can do as a leader.
And you should do wide outreach. You should work to create your diverse team. You shouldn't just wait to see what comes in the door, but go out, meet people, cultivate and develop talent. Work for it, play the long game with folks, invest in them. There's nothing more important than your team and your talent, so why wouldn't you make your biggest investment in them?